welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, this whole video is about our centerpieces and all the floral arrangements for that. We went to downtown LA to go shopping for everything, and Josue's right here. Josue was very like, you pick everything, like I'm okay with whatever you choose. So I was like, thank goodness, this makes it so much easier for me. I think for a big part too, my aunts came with us, so I feel like we both are really confident with like what they pick, and yeah, we trust we trust their opinion, and we trust like their vision a lot. So thank goodness for them. So I knew that whenever this came around, I had to ask them to come with me, because I was gonna need a lot of help to have our visions come to life, and they definitely helped out so much. But yeah, this vlog is all about our floral arrangements and our centerpieces and stuff like that, so keep on watching.
But without the bottom.
Yeah, so we're gonna look at the crystals. They're cute.
¿Decías también de estos tú, edad?
Ajá, o de los de cilindro de vidrio.
¿O aquel? ¿Lo quieres cuadrado o redondo?
¿Tienen cuadrados ahí bonito?
18.
Oh, these flowers. We're also looking for some orchids.
17 que.
You mean glass? We have these glass ones.
Oh,
And
no,
these are nice.
you want them like this though, right? Like.
Fátima, ¿este es el color que quieres tú?
A ver, a mí.
Fatima, you want this like this?
Ah,
shape,
sí,
right?
así como blush.
Fatima, this shape?
¿Cuál color?
Yes, they have them in that spot. Let's go look at that. Ahí voy.
Mira, Fátima. Fátima, fíjate. Yo digo que todos esos colores en una relación deben ver tan
Oh,
preciosos.
sí.
Esa es la flor que la que está de aquel lado, Fátima.
Esta, ¿no?
¿Es esta misma?
No, este.
Esta es como más peach. Esta es más como rosita. So we're looking at all these for the centerpieces.
Entonces vale más y se le puede hacer arreglo para la gente y bolillas. Okay.
So we're doing a mix of flowers.
Sonríe, no, quíchate la boca. Quíchate la boca. Es que traemos mascarilla.
I know, thank God.
Me and Jackie are not made for this life. We're tired.
These shoes were not made for walking.
These are some of the flowers that we're going to use for the centerpiece. We have some blush pink, lots of cream, and
What time do you close?
3 to 4.
look at this little dog. So we're looking at these long ones. If you guys saw in the hotel, they have a skylight. So our vision is to hang white flowers and diamonds all around the skylight. So these are the two options that we're doing. And more flowers. Okay, so we ended up getting these cylinder glass ones. And the arrangement of flowers is going to be kind of like this one, but on a glass one. But I think we're all done for today. Excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and get the car and head out. Okay, so this is most of the flowers we got. I still have to go to my aunt's house to pick up 3 more bags of flowers. And these are all for the centerpieces. I'm gonna post a picture about like of our inspo for the centerpieces. I'm gonna post it so you guys can kind of see what we're aiming for. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the flowers we bought. These are all from downtown LA. I'll try to link below the stores we went to, so in case you guys want to go buy your own flowers, you guys kind of know what stores to look at, what stores to check out. Okay, so here's one of the bouquets of flowers. Oh, it's like a blush pink roses, and it's really nice material. And so this is going to get split in half into 2 centerpieces. So we're going to add different flowers to each centerpiece. And then these boxes are all 3 of these boxes, 1, 2, 3, they're all hydrangeas, which are my favorite flowers. So these are all hydrangeas. They're very good quality as well. And like I said, 3 boxes of hydrangeas. Okay, then these next flowers are the ones that we're going to hang from the skylight with crystals. So that's a box full of those. And then these are the crystals that we're going to try dripping them with from the skylight. Obviously a lot longer, but that's how it's going to look. So, ¿eso va aquí a mí? Esas son las del skylight. Ew. Okay, and these are the orchids. There's about Like this entire box is just pure orchids. Oh, my camera. And these are what's gonna like drip off the sides of the centerpieces. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. I love these. I'm obsessed with these. Okay, so the next set of flowers I'm gonna show you guys are these. It's kind of dark out here. I'm sorry. So they're just white, like white, off-white roses. And it's a whole bag of them as well. Let me show you guys the rest of the flowers. And then these here, can you show them, Jose? Just like open them a little bit. They're like another pair of blush pink flowers, super pretty. Very, very pretty. And more hydrangeas at the bottom. There's another big bag. And then we have one more big bag. And then these are just like the other pink ones I just showed you guys, but these are like an off-white, white. Jose, can you move those around so they can kind of see those too? They're very nice. And this is gonna add a lot more like dimension to the vases. So I really, really love these.